Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We're back out in the warehouse, and today we are going to be talking about this Aqua Arch Tool by Pentair. So this was formerly A&A, in case you're getting that mixed up. Pentair purchased A&A back a few years ago, but this is a great tool for those of you that have the brass Aqua Arches. It's really tough to get that nozzle removed. You can try different tools and things, but this is going to work perfect for you. This lines up, it's machine milled, ready to go, fits right in there, and gets your Aqua Arch removed, so you can either clean it or just adjust the angle or height of the stream. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We got lots of these available. 2710 West Bell is our warehouse, or ePoolSupply.com. Also, check us out on Facebook and YouTube. We got lots of stuff going on out there. So we appreciate you guys. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below. And we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.